Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to get this quick, easy, and natural looking protective style. So if you want to see exactly how I achieve it, then keep on watching. Walking in the rain. So you want to start by rolling the hair. You see right here I'm doing the twist roll method. I'm sure most of you, if not pretty much all of you, have already seen this method. If not, then you have learned something new today.
Which way my life will go. That's why I'm smiling. That's how I gotta be. Yes, I'm smiling. See it smiling back at me. Take the good with the bad and feel happy when I'm sad. Oh.
So after you're done rolling, then you want to go ahead and take it and dip it in some boiling hot water.
Yesterday's coming.
Keep it in for about 10 seconds.
I refuse to let it get me down. Happiness reveals a power that's
Before you guys try to take the rollers and everything out, make sure it's dry, because otherwise it's going to be a frizzy mess when you get ready to try to take it down.
All the blessings that all blessings. Ain't no point in being mad. Ain't no point in being mad. That's why I'm smiling. That's how
So you want to split the hair in half like you just saw me do a second ago, and then just kind of pin it down. So basically one half is going to basically act as your bangs, and then the other half is going to act as your bun.
when I'm sad.
So you want to separate it with some oil. Same thing you would do as if you were doing it with your natural hair. So that way it won't be as frizzy and everything when you're trying to separate it, because of course it's going to get a little tangled because it is synthetic. So go ahead and just start pinning it into place as you see me doing right here. You're going to just pin it to frame your face, and you know, everybody's face shape and frame is different, of course. So just frame it to how you want it to look on you. And you see in the back, I'm like basically twisting it like a donut bun.
That's why I'm smiling. Smiling.
So when you're cutting, you want to do it at an angle like you see me doing it right here. If you don't do that, then it's going to look blunt and it's not going to look natural.
Smiling. Take the good with the bad and feel happy when I'm sad. Oh.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you try the style. If you do, make sure that you tag me, Kimberly the Creator. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.